Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the server OS build and installing all pending updates so drivers and features behave predictably. Once done, assign a static IP and ensure you have a domain or local admin account ready. Hyper-V needs stable networking and elevated rights. Now install the Hyper-V role through Server Manager or run install Windows feature name. Hyper-V include management tools in PowerShell to save time. After installation, make sure to reboot when prompted so the hypervisor can initialize and reserve CPU and memory correctly. Next, create an external virtual switch so virtual machines have network access. Bind it to your primary physical NIC and disable teaming if you'll use SRIOV. Then, set up storage. Create dedicated folders for VHDX files on fast disks, enable VHDX format, and consider enabling deduplication on larger volumes to save space. Also configure host-level backup and define checkpoint, snapshot, policies before you create many VMs. These steps prevent performance surprises and finally, use the new virtual machine wizard to pick generation 1 or 2, allocate CPUs and RAM, attach the virtual NIC to your external switch, and mount the ISO to install the guest OS. After the OS is up, install integration services or enable Hyper-V guest services, run Windows updates, and set time synchronization and backup jobs. If something fails, check Event Viewer and Hyper-V specific logs, confirm virtual switch bindings and VLAN settings, and verify storage permissions. Those are the most common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.